Guys, me and my wife happened to visit the Starfield Coex Library right here in Seoul, Korea. You know, ma-amaze kang makita. Grabe, napakalaki, napakaluwag ng library na to here sa Coex Mall. Well, Starfield Coex Library, a hugely popular and visually striking public library inside Coex Mall in Gangnam. Maybe they are not the largest in terms of book collections, pero in terms of popularity, they are famous and spacious modern libraries in Asia. Tingnan mo naman, may pailaw pa yan sa gabi. Starfield Library in Coex is known for its design and high ceilings with tall bookshelves. Approximately, mga 50,000 books ang narito. Make it an attractive cultural spot, though its collection is smaller than National Library. Meron nga itong 13 meters high ang kanilang mga bookshelf. Look at the ambience, oh? With my wife posing, enjoying so much the beauty of this Coex Mall Library. Ayan, o diba? So, marami mga kabataan ang pupunta rito at talaga namang kasi yung lugar Instagrammable, no? Napakaganda. So, hindi ka talaga magsisisi when you happen to see this place dahil napakaganda at nakakaaliw and very relaxing tong place na ito. By the way, this is inside the mall of Coex. Yan o. So sa nakikita nyo, umanig ako sa napakataas na escalator at bumaba muli dahil just to have a good bird's eye view of looking at all the section of the ambience right here in Coex Mall. Ayan o. So nakikita nyo, and you can see myself going down of the escalator and enjoying so much this beautiful place right here in Seoul, Korea. Diba? Yan o. Kaya magandang pong pumunta rito sa gabi where may pailaw and tama-tama ito nung pumunta kami mga November right before Christmas holiday. Isa ito sa mga highlights dito sa educational trip ng Christian Legacy. Siyempre, di ba? Yan, the best highlight, yung alley na yun nakita nyo. And of course, looking at the ceiling, no? So nice to glance. A lot of people are taking photos and videos. Gaya ko, nag-enjoy din. See you next time.